Friends, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show that beta plus alpha is equals to minus b all over a, and beta multiplied by alpha is equals to c all over a. This is actually a very important formula when we want to get the roots of a quadratic equation. And to prove this, we are going to start by writing the general formula of quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, let's start by dividing through with the coefficient of x squared. And coefficient of x squared here is a. So if we divide ax squared with a, we're going to have x squared plus, if we divide bx with a, we're going to have b all over ax plus, if we divide c with a, we're going to have c all over a is equal to, let's assume that the roots of this quadratic equation are, let's say x is equals to alpha and x is equals to beta. Like we all know that quadratic equation will always have two roots because quadratic equation has the highest degree to 2. So the roots must always be 2. There's no condition where the root will be more than 2. So if this alpha crosses sign of equality, it's going to be x minus alpha. And if this beta crosses sign of equality, it's going to be x minus beta. Now let's equate this to the roots. So we have x minus alpha, close bracket, and x minus beta, you close the bracket. Now let's open this bracket. We have x squared plus b all over ax plus c all over a is equal to, if x multiply x, it will be x squared. Then x multiplying negative beta will be negative x beta. Negative alpha multiplying x will be negative x alpha. And then negative alpha multiplying negative beta will be positive alpha beta. Since these two has x, we can factorize them. So we have x squared plus b all over ax plus c all over a is equals to x squared, then minus, I will have beta plus alpha into x. It's going to be positive because negative will be positive, so that when you open this bracket, you can go back to this step, then plus alpha beta. Let's start by comparing the coefficients of this equation. You can see that the coefficient of x squared here is 1 and coefficient of x squared here is 1, so they will cancel themselves. Coefficient of x here is b all over a, and coefficient of x here is negative beta and alpha. Then you divide both sides by negative, you're going to have that beta plus alpha is equals to negative b all over a. So this one is proven. Then similarly, we have that c all over a is the constant, should be equal to the constant at the other side of the equation. So our alpha multiplied by beta is equals to c all over a. This one is proven as well. In our next video, we shall be using these two formulas to solve problems under quadratic equation. And if you don't want to miss that, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when we drop the video, you will be notified.